One of the most important skills in hoop making is taping a hoop. Decorative tape is the most exciting aspect of crafting your own hoop. We sell many different varieties ranging from glitter to mirror, holo-glitter, prism to the largest range of color-shifting tapes available. All of our decorative tapes have a peel-off paper back lining and come in 1 inch or 3/4 inch widths. Let's talk about using decorative tapes and spiraling. When you are taping with a deco tape, you want to make sure that you are using an adequate amount of tension when laying the tape down on the tube. This helps it lay flat without wrinkles or bubbles. We also recommend using your fingers of your opposite hand to smooth down the tape as it is being laid down. You can use your thumb on one side of the tape and your fingers on the other side of the tape to smooth the edges down simultaneously. Allow the paper backing to collect at the bottom of the hoop. You may want to cut the backing off as it collects every few feet, or you can just allow it to remain in one continuous piece. While a hoop maker's goal is to tape the entire hoop in one continuous piece, it's okay to work with 2 to 3 foot lengths to practice your technique until you become more comfortable. It's important to remember that Hoopologie carries many types of decorative tapes, and not all tapes are the same when being applied to a hoop. Some require more tension than others, some are thinner and more difficult to lay down without wrinkles, and some do stretch and some do not stretch. It's important to work with all the types of tapes and adapt specific techniques depending on the properties. A little practice goes a long way, and have patience with yourself.